Crocheting in continuous rounds, working in a continuous spiral, doing a few spiral rounds. What does this all mean? Let's talk about this simple technique. Hi guys, it's Katie from Yarn Society, and we're going to chat about crocheting in continuous rounds, also known as crocheting in a spiral. A lot of times in crochet, in order to make a circle, you would need to join one round to the next round with a slip stitch. But when you're crocheting in continuous rounds, you simply just keep crocheting. There's no joining or chaining, you simply continue to crochet into the next stitch. The one tip with crocheting in the round or the spiral is to keep track of your stitches. For marking your stitches, you can grab a simple stitch marker or a safety pin and mark a stitch of your round. I personally like to mark my last stitch of the round, but you can also mark the first stitch of your next round. Just to make this up, round 2 would be an increase in each stitch around. So you would place your hook directly under that next stitch and you would complete your increase. You would move over to the next stitch and continue on. We are taking out one whole step of slip stitching and chaining, which is probably my favorite part of working in a continuous spiral. It takes all that guesswork out. If you're just getting into amigurumi crochet, you will definitely be seeing most of these patterns worked in continuous spirals, so it'd be great to get comfortable with this technique. The trick with working in continuous rounds / spirals is knowing where to stop. So that's where your stitch marker comes in. I would work into my stitch marker because I marked the last stitch of the round. To go on to round 3, you would go directly into this next stitch. You would see what your pattern said for round 3 and just continue working in that next stitch. That's it, you guys. That's working in continuous spirals, also known as continuous rounds, and it's simple as that. Make sure that you're marking your stitches so that you know where to start and where to end, and that is it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials and crochet alongs.